Hi, my name is Stan. I'm a co-founder of GiveVision. We're developed a medical device that helps patients that lost their sight see again. And I am an SIT Social Innovation Tournament alumni. And I had a great pleasure to be part of the competition and pitch a couple of years ago. And after that, I became an alumni. And so I had a vast network of support, and events became available to us, which was super useful for our company. I'd recommend anyone who's considering to apply to definitely apply. Even if you don't win, you will become part of the global community of social entrepreneurs, and you'll be eligible to attend all sorts of boot camps, training events free of charge. They also have some other funding streams available. You'll be invited to all sorts of pitching events, meet investors. So I cannot recommend it enough. I think for what it's worth, it's an amazing community, and it's a really good initiative, and it's getting better every year. So I hope you apply, and I hope to see you there.